Welcome to Best for Your Buck. Today we're going to be talking about the best video editing laptops available on the market. If you are a video editor, you need a PC that is powerful and equipped with enough high-end hardware, all for you to see your creative work come to life before your eyes. To edit 4K video, create amazing visual effects, and render large files, you'll need to work with one of the best video editing laptops. Smaller, less powerful laptops might be able to do the basics, but they won't allow for the professional video work you need done. For this, you'll need a quality setup. We created this list using our research and personal opinions, and we ranked these products based on a number of important variables, including quality, price, and performance. If you're interested in purchasing one of these products, please check out the description of this video or the comment we have pinned below, where you'll find links to each product. And if you're interested in more high-quality product reviews, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let us know in the comments section which of our picks is the best video editing laptop. Starting off our list, we have the Microsoft Surface Book 2, 15-inch. This is one of the most versatile laptops for video editors and designers. The Surface Book 2 comes with a large screen and base. It still has the Microsoft plain and modern style that places its focus on the screen over all other parts. With a 3240 by 2160 display and the 3:2 aspect ratio, it has a dimension of 4.2 pounds and 13.5 by 9.9 by 0.9 inches, meaning the Surface Book 2 is much larger than many laptops. However, what makes it unique is the fact that it's detachable. The Surface Book 2 has the same ports as the original 2015 Surface Book, with one obvious difference, which is the USB Type-C. It also features a pair of USB 3.1 ports, an SD card slot, and a headphone jack. The Surface Connect port is also available for charging the tablet portion independently. Its wonderful 3240 by 2160 display is so clear that it's perfect for drawing, video editing, and watching videos. Its screen also covers about 131% of the sRGB color gamut, which is better than most of its competitors. Equipped with an Intel Core i7-8650U CPU, 16GB of RAM, and a 1TB PCIe SSD, the Surface Book 2 will handle all your multitasking needs. The Surface Book 2 has a powerful NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 GPU with 6GB of video RAM. This is powerful enough to take care of just about any type of intensive video editing task. The Surface Book 2 battery life lasts for over 12 hours, which is enough to get you through a long day of work. And with a resolution of 2560 by 1440, its front-facing webcam is perfect and sharp. The Surface Book 2 lives in Microsoft's lineage of speedy, powerful computers. What you'll get is a powerful display, amazing specs, long battery life, and sleek design with a detachable tablet. At number 4, we have the Alienware Area 51M, another amazing laptop designed with video editors in mind. The Alienware Area 51M is a 9th generation laptop powered by a combination of Core 19 processor and the latest RTX 2080 GPU. This wonderful laptop can easily transcode a 4K video to 1080p in just a few minutes. Apart from its massive upgradable power, it comes with an amazing design and an SSD with a transfer rate of 1,272 megabytes per second. The new Alienware comes with a design that enables upgradable graphics that makes it the king of semi-mobile gaming as well. The rounded corners and smooth finishes are quite inviting to the touch. Just like previous Alienware laptop, the touchpad and keyboard have a lovely glow that shows off the silvery Alienware lettering at the bottom. Now let's have a look at the ports. The Area 51 has got an arsenal that can handle all your peripherals. Checking the systems right, there is a pair of USB 3.1 ports. There are 2 DC jacks, an HDMI 2.0 port, a mini display port, and a gigabit Ethernet jack. As for the backlighting, it is one that'll keep you glued, a panel that delivers clear details that enhances the gaming experience. It also comes with NVIDIA's G-Sync technology that delivers the fastest gaming experience ever. When it comes to editing images in Adobe Photoshop, the Area 51M is very proficient, just as it is for video games. If you need a versatile laptop for video work, the Alienware Area 51M is one of the best for the job. Next on our list is the MacBook Pro, 16-inch of 2019. Our beloved Apple laptop. For those who love editing on an Apple brand, the new MacBook Pro 2019 soon tops that list. Made with a powerful Intel Core i9 CPU and a powerful AMD Radeon Pro 5500M GPU, this laptop is worth the bucks. One noticeable feature of the MacBook Pro is its very own display, but the first thing that you may notice is the new Magic Keyboard. This has a new keycap structure that's hollow with a rubber dome beneath it for support. It has a bright and colorful 16-inch display with super slim bezels as compared to the previous model. As expected, it comes with one of the brightest and most colorful panels out there. The MacBook Pro has a resolution of 3072 by 1920. The MacBook Pro's audio is even more impressive. There is a 6-speaker sound system on force-canceling woofers and beefier bass that's half an octave deeper. When we talk about speed, the MacBook Pro is a very powerful laptop with an 8-core Core i9 CPU. You will get 16 GB of RAM, but it can accommodate up to 64 GB of memory. You will also get 512 GB of SSD storage that can be configured up to 8 TB. The 16-inch MacBook Pro is perfect for making quick work of video editing projects. It was able to transcode a 6.5G 4K video to 1080p in just 8 minutes. Graphics-wise, the 16-inch MacBook can handle any workload easily. The 16-inch MacBook Pro is easily the best Apple laptop in the last decade. With a very comfortable keyboard, booming sound, and 11 hours of battery life, it definitely deserves its spot on our list. Moving on, we have the Lenovo Legion Y7000. This is our best budget video editing laptop. If you're in search of a video editing laptop for the best price, then the Lenovo Legion Y7000 is the perfect choice for you. You get a speedy 8th Gen Core i7 processor and a GTX 1060 GPU, and the overall cost is noticeably lower. You will also get an adorable 15.6-inch 1080 display that can cover up to 153% of sRGB color spectrum, as well as emit 277 nits of brightness. Equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 GPU with 6 GB of video RAM, the Legion Y7000 ran The Forest in the Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 35 frames per second, highest 1080p. This beast is armed with a 2.2 GHz Intel Core i7-8750H processor with 16 GB of RAM that works effortlessly even when several browser tabs and different apps are running in the background. The Lenovo Legion Y7000 easily transcoded a 4K video to 1080p in less than 10 minutes, crushing most of its competitors. This amazing laptop copied 4.97 GB of data in just 8 seconds at a transfer rate of 636 megabytes per second. This doubles the transfer rate of other PCs in the 328 megabytes per second category average. The Legion Y7000's keys are quite satisfactory to type on. The touchpad is also very responsive to the touch and clicks. There are some good ports that can handle your gaming and streaming. You will find on the left side a USB 3.1 port and an audio jack, while on the right side you find just one USB 3.1 port. On the back side, you will find a USB Type-C port, one mini display port 1.4, one USB 3.1 port, an HDMI 2.0 port, an Ethernet RJ45 port, the power jack, and a Kensington lock slot. Despite being a gaming laptop, it has a battery life of over 4 hours, and its affordable price makes it one of the best video editing laptops out there. Our final spot goes to the Dell XPS 15. This is one of the best video editing laptops out there. Made with aluminum and carbon fiber, this is surely a match made in heaven. Its beautiful 3840 by 2400 screen will definitely leave you breathless. Covering about 132% of the sRGB color gamut and 434 nits of brightness. These wonderful visuals are also equaled by its top-notch performance, powered by the XPS 15's Intel Core i7-10750H processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti Max Q GPU. The XPS is also very light, with a weight of 4.5 pounds, making it a portable beast. It is easily the best video editing laptop. It comes with several preloaded utilities that can help you just in case the colors are not clear enough for you. With the Premier Color, you can tweak color gamut, temperature, and brightness. At first sight, the laptop is simply beautiful, which is also enhanced by its premium packaging. The Platinum platinum silver CNC aluminum lid and undercarriage will leave you wowed. Unlike most current laptops, the XPS has a full SD card reader on the laptop's right, alongside the USB-C port and a headset jack. On the left side, you will find two Thunderbolt 3 ports and a wedge lock slot. Display-wise, the XPS 15 has one of the highest resolution screens ever seen on a laptop. It is a 15.6-inch display made of Gorilla Glass 6 with an aspect ratio of 16:10. Note that this is quite larger than its predecessor, but somehow Dell fit it in a smaller chassis. One thing to note is its impressive 2.6 GHz Intel Core i7-10750H processor. One could watch a movie on Netflix with multiple browser tabs open in the background while running Twitch and YouTube without the XPS 15 stuttering. If you want a powerful laptop with an excellent display, along with other quality features, the Dell XPS 15 is the right way to go. But let us know what you think. What video editing laptop from our list do you think is the best option? Check out these product links below. And for more awesome product reviews, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching!